So now I'm here in Wix dashboard, and you can see right over here that I have my project right over here, which I can edit by clicking on site actions and by clicking edit site. So once I do that, the editor opens up. And this is a continuation of the previous lesson where we talked about how to sign up and then choose a layout for our Wix website. So you can see right over here that the Wix website right over here is already like this. So you can see right over here, like you can edit all of these contents right over here. You got the edit, design, and everything else right over here. But what we want to focus on right now is the theme right over here, as you can see. So let's say I don't like this theme and I want to change the entire theme. Then what you can do is you can go to the design section right over here and then go to themes, as you can see. So over here, the default theme that we chose previously was clean, as you can see right over here. There's other themes that you can choose as well. For example, let's say I want to go for this fuse theme. So let's click this and let's see what happens. The entire site look actually changes once I click on that. As you can see, the site theme is much more darker. Just like that, as you can see. So let's go for the lovely theme right over there, and then the site and everything else will change. So all the fonts, the colors, and everything changes with the theme with a click of a button, as you can see. So that it's that easy, as you can see. So let's just go around, click on evolution and click on that one, and you get this kind of a theme right over here, just like that. So let me just choose a theme right over here. So let me just choose something like, for example, innovative. So this is the theme I want to go for, maybe. And then as you choose the theme that you like, you can just click on it and there you go. You can also customize the site design on color, font, and animation, but we're going to see that in further lesson right over here. And these are the same settings that you actually find out right here as well. And this is simply how you apply the themes just by a click of a button in Wix. And once you close this out, you can see that the theme has completely been changed and you have this out. So you can preview this out right over here as well. And everything is actually saved out automatically, which is quite great, as you can see right over here. So this is how you can choose themes and work with themes inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.